Hello, my name is Erdem, and today I'm going to talk about my EE102 term project. My project is a solution for a gas leakage problem in houses or bigger environments such as factories. My project provides a both ventilation system and alarming system to inform the firefighters to come to the house or factory to avoid any fire damage. Now let me talk about the technical details of my project. In order to detect the gas density in the area, I'm using a MQ4 gas sensor. This sensor detects the methane gas density so that we can be informed about the whether there is leakage in the environment or not. In order to get information from the sensor, I'm using a logic level translator because bases we can provide only 3.3 volts logic levels to base 3, but my sensor provides 5 volts, so we need a logic level translator in order to deal with that. And as I said, there is only one input to the basis tree, but basis tree has two outputs. One of them goes to the directly to buzzer, and other goes to the DC motor. In order to run the DC motor, we need a DC motor driver. This driver basically provides the necessary power from the DC power supply, and we only give the enable signal from the basis tree, and we need to provide PWM signals in order to control DC motors. In order to control a DC motor and change the speed of the DC motor, we need to provide a PWM signal. With PWM signal, we can change the duty cycle of the signal and change the speed of the motor, so that in some occasions we might use a more fast ventilation systems, and in some occasions maybe we shouldn't, so we can change it with the PWM signal. Now I'm going to talk about the experimental data. Hello, now I'm going to experiment by project. I designed a small room. We can consider it as a kitchen in our houses, and I put the sensor in the ceiling. Here you can see, and this is the ventilation system, and we have the electronic components here. This is the DC motor driver, and this is the logic level translator. This translates 5 volts to 3.3 volts. And we have basis 3 board connected to computer. So if a gas density exceeds the threshold level, we expect the alarm to ring and ventilation system to run. So let's run. As you can see, as the density increases, the ventilation system and alarm runs. And when I stop, and the density level decreases, and everything is supposed to work in the same way. Thank you. I believe this project provides us an important solution for the gas leakage problem in our houses, because I believe an alarming system is not enough, because sometimes firefighters come very late, so it will be too late for a hazardous damage to our houses. So this ventilation system can provide the necessary airflow in the area, so that the gas density will decrease and there won't be any fire damage.